Representative from Pakistan, please.
Excellencies, tax reforms is one of the most important thing, and in that specifically, higher taxes also gives us a lot of problems. And those problems are specifically the tax evasion, which is leading to money laundering, and that money laundering is leading towards terrorism at the same time. So this is the most important thing which needs to be addressed. That leads to smuggling and different kind of issues like that. The outdated international tax cooperation architecture has long hampered efforts to mobilize adequate tax revenues. At the national level, tax evasion and avoidance, weak institutions, and prevalence of informal economy hampers efforts to enhance domestic tax collection in developing countries. At the international level, a fragmented global tax system enables base erosion and profit shifting by multinational corporations, allowing them to exploit loopholes in national tax systems to move profits to low or no tax jurisdictions. Moreover, the increasing phenomena of the digital economy deprives countries where economic activity take place of tax revenues. Parliaments can play a key role in ensuring better compliance with national and global tax rules by creating a conducive legal and institutional framework